Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the expeditions volunteer quest from the NPC Chef Masimo for the prep phase of the upcoming Call of Whales event in Harttopia. So after you finish the coastal notice quest by collecting approval signs from the resident, you'll unlock these expeditions volunteer states. But you need to unlock these states by complete the quest from any first. So, and if you don't know how to complete it yet, just click the link in the descriptions or just check the Harttopia playlist to watch the tutorial to complete it. And then after that, after you unlock this expedition volunteer sign up, in here you need to complete quests from different town residents to collect the approval signs. But you can also get the approval from another DG member. But in here, I will focus on get approval from the Chef Masimo. First, just head to the Chef Masimo on here, this one, and then after that, just talk to him, and then just tap on Expeditions Volunteer like this. Then just tap on Leave it to me, and then in here, you just need to submit 5 raspberries. So make sure you already have the raspberries. Then just talk to the Chef Masimo again, and then just submit the 5 raspberries like this. And then after that, just click submit like this. And just like that, you will get the approval from Chef Masimo, and it will count toward your expedition's volunteer progress. This one, you can see it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.